Representing the Aliso Viejo Ice Palace, please welcome Judy Strang and Natasha Goldbranson.
Bumble Bee's Buzz, that is what he is, so that is what he does. He sings his little song and buzzes just because. Bumblebees buzz. Duckies all quack, flapping their wings, saying yakety yak. White ones and brown ones, they always talk back. Duckies all quack. Puppy dogs bark, working their way into your heart. For any old reason, daylight or dark. Puppy dogs bark. Kitty cats meow, nose in the air, acting so proud. When they get together, they can get loud. Kitty cats meow, and bumblebees buzz.
Thank you, Judy and Natasha.